How to remove unwanted object from photo with generative fill in Photoshop. Go to the menu bar. Click on the window. Click on the contextual text bar. Go to the toolbar. Click on the lasso tool. Select the object which you want to remove. Click on Generative Fill. Type just remove selected area. Click on the Generate button. You can see that our unwanted object has been removed. We will try this on this image now. Here you will find some more variation. Thanks for watching the video.